Hi guys, Retro Tech Ralph here. I've had a couple of little deliveries come through. I'd just like to point this out that I am not for being bought, and I will not do advertising in any of my videos. That is a full cast iron guarantee that I will not advertise anything, no matter, even if they do send anything through the post, like this little poster that Neil sent me through the post from Retro Man Cave. Retro Man Cave, please like and subscribe. Now, he promised to send me one of these a while ago. I think he got one, and it was, I'm not sure if he prints them or somebody else does them, or he got one, but he got a piece of tape somewhere on the bottom of here, and he'd ripped it off and tore a little bit the picture. That would have been fine, but then again, he damaged it in transit as well. So he didn't have to send this, but this is absolutely brilliant. I've done a thank you video on Twitter the other day, but it's a massive thank you to Neil for just sending this to me. I need to get it either in a frame or on a wall somewhere, and I don't have much wall space in the garage, but I'll get it somewhere, and I'm sure I'll find somewhere. I just don't know. All I've got is a wall over there which has got a clock on it, but it's too, I don't know. I need to get a picture frame for this anyway. I'll find some sort of, they're about A5, I think, these anyway. So I'll get something for that, pretty sharpish. Right, I was contacted the other day. It says, I've been in touch with Neil. I think he's a Patreon of Neil's. And it says, I gave him some free stickers. Would you like some? And I thought, well, okay, if you insist, you know. I'm not one to be bought or anything else like that. But if you insist, then no problem. So this came today, and wasn't expecting too much. I mean, I don't know. I don't think I've actually spoke to the guy, or I have, but I haven't. But I think, I don't know. I speak to a few people on Patreon every so often, but I don't know. On Patreon, on Discord. So let's have a look what's inside. So, straight away, oh, whoops, oops, wrong way around. Visions on vinyl. Not to be bought, Visions on vinyl. He's the guy who's sent me these through. Start using, yes, how to apply the decal, I don't know. But custom designs and requests, he states on here. There's the email address there, visiononvinyl@gmail.com. If you want to check him out, I'm going to send him a message asking what you want. I don't think they've got a web page, but he sent me these for absolutely no reason, apart from he just likes the channel. So thank you very much. You will be put on the beginning of the scroll to start with. There's no Atari logo, Commodore logo, and I do have a Commodore anyway, so that's good. Sega, a white Sinclair one. MAME. I do like my MAME stuff. I wish I could get more, do more on the MAMEs, to be honest. The arcade emulators. Absolutely brilliant. Oh, there we go. I've got an eBay store as well. Go check him out. PayPal accepted. Okay. I think I might actually have a look for some more stuff from his. I mean, these are obviously vinyl stickers. Yeah, gloss vinyl stickers. But it's sticky on that side. So what you'll do is you'll peel off the clear. So as that's not sticky. You'll peel off yeah, should have read the instructions really. You'll peel off the paper because that's sticky, then you'll stick onto to keep everything in place in the right design. Then stick it on, rub it on, and then peel off the clear backing afterwards. He says, well, they just cocked up the main one. Oh, no, that's fine. So what else we got? A dark Sinclair one, a dark Sega one. Hello, that will come into its own in a second. I have a Retro. I have a Ralph. I have a Ralph. That's an advert for another YouTuber, Retro Ralph. Hi. Retro Tech Ralph. I've got a Tech and another Tech, I guess, behind it. Just a little bit awkward with the sticky, but that's fine. I don't know why one's blue, one's white. I wonder if one's... No, I think it's just the backing paper. Another Retro, Pac-Man, and a couple of ghosts. Right, here's a problem. You may have also noticed that does say Amiga with the Amiga ball logo. I don't have an Amiga yet, so I can't officially accept this, so I have to get an Amiga. So we'll look to see what will you want me next time. And the red Sinclair and a proper Pac-Man logo from the same font as the original arcade. But yeah, I need to get an Amiga. I've been asking for a while what the best one is, and I need to get a 1200. That's the consensus. I really need to get a 1200. I asked about the Sinclair when I got one. It was the grey version, which is absolutely flawed. So flawed, it's ridiculous, but it is the most compatible between everything. So, what I'm going to do, what it that he actually suggested was, see, I've got a nice pristine board here. He's going to stick some of these on here. So, they'll always be on the board. I don't want to put them across, put them down. Well, that's sure. But we'll work on that one. So I'm going to just pause here, stick these where I want to, and you'll see them in a second. And there we go. Stickers stuck down. Looks like I did work a little bit with vinyl, not too much, but there was a job years ago. Looks like the white vinyl and then a blue over the top stuck on. So you can feel the parts there, the whole bits, but it looks absolutely really effective. He'd actually say in an email that since I've got my nice blue board, that they'd look really good being stuck to it. So thanks, Mark. Really brilliant. Thank you very much, Mark, for these. Couple of bubbles, but I'm not a sign writer. But I'm really happy with these. They're really good. But thank you. Brilliant. And I don't know what else to say. It's the generosity of you've got something that you can. There you go. Ta-ra. Just have something. It's really good. It's same as it's as good, this stuff, as all the stuff as when Jamie T came in and said, look, I've done you a couple of signs, and one's made on a foam, one's made on plastic, and I absolutely adore these. They're just absolutely brilliant. But I mean, it's not far off the colour of the board itself. It's a little bit out from it, but way more than enough so you can see the thing. That's absolutely brilliant. I love that. So they're going to be there all the time in the top corner of all the videos from now on. So thank you, Mark from Vision on Vinyl. Like I say, go check him out. Got lots of no home address there, but obviously check him out, please. Give him some support. Give him some some of your hard-earned cash for some really bloody good vinyl stickers. And I'm sure he's got some more stuff on there. I'll have to have a look on there myself on eBay and see what he's got. But again, massive thank you very much, Mark, for sending these down. I just can't. Yeah. You go on the front scroll at the beginning. I'm not going to put Neil at the front. Neil knows that I respect him a hell of a lot for what he does, and I think I'm going to see him next month anyway when we get to the to Manchester Expo. But hopefully, I wonder if Mark's going to go Vision on vinyl. But yeah, but anybody interested? I'm going to Manchester Expo, the Play Expo. I'm going there for the Saturday only. I'm going to meet up with everybody there. Hopefully there'll be a lot of the Discord scene, all the Retro Man Cave scene, the people that I speak to all the time. I'm definitely going for the Saturday. Hopefully I'll see you there. So if you want to give me something for free, then fine. If not, then find me, prod me, say hello. That's what I was terrified for with the Blackpool Expo. Just actually seeing people, and I was absolutely terrified of seeing anybody. But I think this time I might be more talkative and get on with the games, to be honest, and enjoy myself. So, yeah, if you've got anything you want to send in, it doesn't have to be stickers. Could be anything, and I mean absolutely anything you want. If you want to send in an old Mega Drive, that's absolutely knackered. If you want to send a part of a Mega Drive, if you want to send a part of a Spectrum, a part of an Amiga, annoy me. Send me some Amiga stuff. I don't care. It'll get me booted into actually doing... well, getting an Amiga. But anything, if you want to send something, fine. If you don't, keep watching my videos. consider being a Patreon, help out the channel, and try and let's see where we can get with this channel, shall we? It's been over a year now. With a quick note as well, I've got a competition going on another video. It's my first birthday anniversary video. If you want to enter that, and just watch the video, and you can enter into a prize draw on that one. I'll be giving away the prizes on that. There's 3 prizes on that one. I'm sure one of them's an absolute piece of crap, and the other 2 are pretty decent. Then check out the other video. It's it'll be on. Just check out the other videos and just put birthday on there. I'm sure you can find that anyway. So anyway, thanks for watching. Brilliant, Mark. Thank you. Thank you, Neil. Like I said, I need to find a picture for him for that one. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye for now.